Oh, here is an app called Scoopz. So here, this is like an alternative to TikTok. So let's just try to post a video. So you just add a video, just as an example for you. You can select location, you can edit cover, and then let's just tap to post it. And then basically you just have that. Then you just have your account. Then you can see a history, you can see your content. Then you will just see like that your content is processing. And yeah, you just tap plus and upload videos from camera or from album, and then in home you just swiping through the different stories. And like there are already some likes. You can block report videos, you can like, you can follow, you can search for different stories here. Yeah, it's kind of like a TikTok, but nobody knows what will happen to TikTok like in US. So if it is blocked, that's definitely one of the apps you can try out. And then yeah, here you just have your locations, whatever. You can log out, you can delete your account, you can also have your creator dashboard, you can edit your profile, website bio. You can then just see it like that, and that's what it is. So at the moment you can only kind of upload videos, and there you have it. There are already some users in this app, so it maybe if you're a creator on TikTok or whatever, you can just create like a backup account here. So yep, again, so this is the app called Scoopz. I was just checking out some apps, like, so here it is, real life, real video. As you can see, it's going quite high in entertainment already. So that's just, yeah, what you have here. So try it out.